Okay, so we just got out our new SEAGO electric toothbrush. We got it charged up and ready to go, and there's the little owner's manual for it. And I do like that they have the toothbrush heads are individually wrapped, which is cool. And I just put my toothpaste on it. I got this Coral Nano Silver toothpaste that they sent me so I could show it to you. And the SEAGO, they sent me the toothbrush so I could show it to you. So I just wanted to show it to you. One thing I don't really love about it is that it has no cap for the top. There is a travel case for it, so if you're traveling, it'll be inside a case and won't be all over everything in your bag. But it would be nice for there to be a little cover over the top of that there when you're not using it. But it's got a really easy start. You just push that little button right there and it'll go. And I'm not going to push it because I don't want it to splatter all over the place. But super intelligent design. It says that it has this 3-second startup so that you don't splatter all over the place. And of course, keep your mouth closed while you're using it. But the other thing I really like is it has different function modes, and if you've ever had to travel, have you ever had to travel for like an extended period of time, like a week or 2 or 3, and you don't want to necessarily take your charger with you and stuff? Well, this one actually, it says you charge it up for 4 hours and it's good for like a month, they say. So that would be really handy for travel, I think. I'm going to give it a try here. Okay, I'm going to stop it early there, but it has a really good feel in your mouth. And like I said, it's got a different modes and stuff like that for you to be able to use it and stuff. So, yeah, I like that. It feels good in my mouth. I like that. And, of course, who doesn't like an electric toothbrush that does half the work for you?